Reading big numbers in Scottish Gaelic. It isn't as scary as you think. The first thing you will need is the numbers 1 to 20. We'll start off with the numbers 1 to 10. Un, ga, tri, ceher, coig, shia, sheach, och, nui, jeich. Now they'd sound a little bit different if we were counting, but we're just having the numbers. The next set of numbers we need are the teen numbers. The teen numbers are made by adding the word geach after the numerals, 1 through 9. So, un geach, da geach, tri geach, ceher geach, coig geach, shia geach, sheach geach, och geach, nui geach, and finally, fichet. Getting from 20 to 99. So there's two ways of doing this. You can do base 10, which is the more words, less math version. And this one, there's a new word for each multiple of 10. So we've got fichet, trichet, keret, kuket, shesket, shechket, ochket, and neuchet. Then there's the base 20 way, which is the less words, more math way. So it's just multiples of 20. And in between the multiples of 20, you have 20 and 10. So we've got fichet, 20, fichet's a jeich, 20 and 10, daichet, 2 20s, daichet's a jeich, 3 fichet, 3 fichet's jeich, ceher fichet, and ceher fichet's a jeich. So in this version, 99 would be ceher fichet's a nui jeich. One more thing that we need, the phrase ciat míle fáilte. Okay, so we don't need the fáilte bit, but it's probably a phrase that you've come across before. And the word ciat means 100, and the word míle means 1,000. So to say a number of hundreds, you just add the number before the word ciat. So 600 would be shia ciat. And to say a number of thousands, you just add the number before the word míle. So 4,000 would be ceher míle. Three-digit numbers. Let's have a look at how to make those. So you make your hundreds number just like we did in the last slide. Then you say your number between 1 and 99. So 365 is 3 ciat shesket a coig, or 3 ciat 3 fichet a coig. 896 would be 8 ciat neuchet a shia, or 8 ciat ceher fichet a shia geach. 207 would be 10 ciat a sheach, both ways. You can go all the way up to 29 before you have to change ways. 551 is coig ciat cúcit a hún, or coig ciat daichet a hún geach. So note that the apostrophe s, or the agus, goes right before the number in the ones place, but remember that in the base 20 way you can have numbers up to 19 in the ones place. And if you don't have any ones, it'll go before the tens place. But what about bigger numbers? So numbers in the thousands. How you make those is you do your number of thousands plus the word míle, then your number of hundreds plus the word ciat, then your number between 1 and 99. So 3,578 would be 3 míle coig ciat shesket a hoch, or 3 míle coig ciat 3 fichet a hoch geach. 1,244 would be míle da chiat keret a ceher, or míle da chiat daichet a ceher. 6,061 would be shia míle shesket a hún, or shia míle 3 fichet a hún. But what about even bigger numbers? So just keep saying each number in the same place as you would in English. So 10,350 would be jeich míle 3 ciat cúcit, or jeich míle 3 ciat daichet jeich. 15,701 would be coig míle geach sheach ciat a hún, and that would be the same way, but you just want to note that the míle goes in between the two parts of coig geach. So coig míle geach sheach ciat a hún. So 342,597 would be 3 ciat keret a míle coig ciat neuchet a sheach, or trí céad, daigit sa ga míle, cóig céad, céhir ficit sa seach diag. And what about saying the dates? Well, when you say a year, you use the teen number of hundreds rather than thousands. So 1947 is naoi céad diag ceithre sa seach, or naoi céad diag daigit sa seach. 1389 would be trí céad diag ochgit sa naoi, or trí céad diag céhir figit sa naoi. 1754 would be seach céad diag cúgit sa céhir, or seach céad diag daigit sa céhir diag. But once we get past 2000, we get things like 2002, dá mhíle sa gá, or 2020, dá mhíle sa fichit. Thanks for watching our video. I hope that helped you understand how to say and read larger Gaelic numbers. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel if you'd like. Check out the description for links to our website for further information about learning Scottish Gaelic, and to our Teespring shop for Gaelic t-shirts and mugs and all kinds of other fun stuff. Mór an taing agus beannach léamh.